In other words, we take this part out and stash it here. And except we also want to use m to replace that. Does everybody understand what I'm trying to do here? Okay. The second statement, we always evaluate the right-hand side first. The right-hand side uses the operator called join, which takes the current value of m, which should be the square of the space. It will join that with answer, whatever I type in the text box, to become a new string. What do we do with a new string? Well, we use it to update m itself. That's the second step of what we call an assignment statement. And then we'll need two more steps. Okay. So the next step is going to do about the same thing. It's going to be a join operation, but I don't want to join it with answer. Okay, let's stop this. Because this is not what I wanted to do. Drag it out. Because I wanted to say the square of a certain number and then space is space. That's all I wanted to do. And then the last version, or the last step here, is once again a join operation. But this time I wanted to join it with the square of the answer. So then I go to operators, or I can just drag this out because I already have it like that. So my say operation does not need to do all the join operations anymore because m as a variable has everything that I need at this point. Okay, let me save the program because we definitely want to look at the alternative of doing things, because that's one way of learning how to do something, is to show you guys how to do it in one way, different way, yet another different way, and yet another different way. Does anyone know whether there's a step function? Like, can I execute a program step by step?
Yeah. Is it edit, I think?
In edit? Okay.
Start single stepping.
Ah, excellent. So here, what we are doing is we are executing the program step by step. So this way we can see how m as a variable gets changed by each statement.
You can change the speed of the stepping as well in the same menu.
Okay. So
Set single stepping.
turbo speed. No, we want to just do it normal. Okay. So we'll give it a number, say 7, and observe, how m gets changed. Okay. That's not single stepping. Oh, start single stepping. There we go. That's a little bit too fast.
It doesn't actually change the variable on the screen while it's going through. Which
Yeah, it does not. Stop single stepping. No, it doesn't have a single step like actually stopping at a particular step.
Go to flash slow. You need to go to set. It's slower than normal.
Yeah, but it's not. It's still not going to do what I want it to do.
No, it isn't. I tried it.
Yeah, see, it's not changing m dynamically. It just shows you the result right away. I have to figure out a way to do that because
you could add in code for debugging. You could
Well,
have it say m between every step.
Yeah, or you can do it like this. You can basically just chop it up, and then you can click each step. Okay. It snaps. When the when the statements are too close, they all snap. Okay, there we go. I think we can do it this time. Okay, so this way we can click each individual step. It will just perform that step. So I click this one. It tells me input a number 7. Click enter. Click the second one. You can see it changes m just to the square of. Click the second step here, the second set. It shows me the answer, or m becomes the square of 7. Click the third one. It will attach is to the whole thing. Click the last one. It will attach 49 to the entire thing. Click the say step. It will basically say the answer, and obviously stop script will stop the execution. It is very cumbersome to chop it down into individual steps, but you can get it done. I mean, the whole point is, at least for smaller programs, we can chop it down and get it done this way. Then you can see, how the variable changes with every single step. Okay, well, so try to follow up, with, everything that we talk about in the class, because your next project will be based on, Scratch, and so will your final exam.
Like same exact version or more simple version?
Huh?
Same exact stuff or?
Not exact stuff, but based on, stuff that we talk about in the class. Yep. So we'll save it.
Good.